final video for the Prem Style Edit tutorial series. So if you follow since day one, you know we have already learned how to create the basic template as well as adding slow motion. In this final video, we'll be learning how to insert a text and a voiceover at the same time. Let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is continue from where we ended last time. So last time what we did was to add videos. This one is going to be a special one because my country celebrated their 68th birthday about 2 days ago. So this is going to be based on my country's independence. You can choose to add any kind of videos you want. Okay, so you first open the last work we did, and as usual we hide our black screens and our filters so we can just have the videos showing. All right, first we can just insert the videos inside, but our advice, we will put in the text first. So the text is not going to be throughout the whole video, it will just be at the start, but then we're going to shift the whole video just a little bit. So what you do is highlight everything you have done so far, and then you shift it to the right just a little bit. It doesn't matter right now. The next thing we're going to do is, remember we imported our black screens some time ago. The next thing we're going to do is import just one black screen. Right, the length doesn't matter so far, so let's just keep it like this. Just import one black screen so that when you turn on the main track magnets, it doesn't shift your videos entirely. So after you put in your black screen or a black picture thingy in your timeline, next thing you're going to do is you head on to the text section, and then you add the text. The text we want to add is anything. So I will go with Ghana at 68, but we will not be editing this now, so you go on and hide this as well. And we'll move on to import our first video. It must have a voiceover, so we'll go through the videos and we'll look for one with where you want to use something with a voiceover you want to use. All right, now we play it.
Ghana, your beloved country, is free forever.
Perfect. So this is how we want it. Now next thing you're going to do is you move, after you insert your intro voice, you move all the videos back, and you bring your audio down a bit. For this we'll be using a different audio because it's going to be extended, but for this tutorial I'll just use the short audio. But the long one I'm going to post on my YouTube is going to be extended. It's going to be an extended edit, so you can check it out. Also, the link will be in the description as well. So this is how it's going to be. This is how it's going to look like so far.
It's free forever.
Alright, we want it to like fade in just a little bit. So we're going to cut here. And we move everything else a little bit.
It's free forever.
So next thing we are going to do is basically adding our clips to it again. So just go on and add your clips to it. Next thing we are going to do is preview it. So we are going to mute here. We haven't added any voice yet, so we're going to preview it, enable everything again except the text, and stretch them so both of them fit the entire duration of the video. This one is not supposed to be stretched because of the keyframes, so just bring it back there and preview it.
Ghana, your beloved country, is free forever.
Yes, so this is what we have here. We're going to tweak this one a little bit so we can see the independence arc. Maybe I should. Yep, this works. Now next thing we're going to do is add our text. So going back on the text, please move the text, move the text to where the video actually starts, and then you put any text you want there. I am going with the Ghana at 68. So we are going to change the font to Lemon Milk Bold. If you don't have Lemon Milk Bold, you can download it. I have attached the link in the description. That's the font I want to use. So we shift it, we'll reduce it a bit and shift it to the far left. Shift it to the far left. At the end we'll have something like this. But then instead of this, let's make it a little bit stylish. So copy your text and paste it. Shift one to the right and the other to the left, and run it like this. Change this to just Ghana. Increase the font size. We want everything to be black. We don't want any stroke, so you change font color to be black. Increase the size of this to increase it a bit to 170%. The scale, increase it to 170%. Increase this as well to 170%. And move that to the right, and we change it to a black text.
It's free forever.
Running like this.
Free forever.
And let's try something like this.
It's free forever.
I think they're a little bit too far apart, so you bring both of them in just a little bit, drag them in just a little bit so they look like continuous text. Yes. Okay, this works. Now that we're done with the text, next thing we're going to do is add the voice, finish up with the voiceover. So in between the videos, you can choose to add as many you want, but we are going to just go with 2 more. So I've already prepared them. You can just add them. You can extract from the video, or when you replace the clip with that specific part of the video, and then you extract the voice. That's basically what I did.
It's free forever.
So now I'm going to increase the volume for both of them to 11.2 dB. Perfect. So this
Ghana,
is exactly how it's going to look
your
like.
beloved country is free forever. And from now on, that national anthem is the national anthem of the world.
On the 6th of March 1957, the Gold Coast became Ghana.
Yep. So that is it, and we are done. Thanks for sticking with me throughout this series, part 1, part 2, and now part 3. We'll be doing more and more tutorials. The next tutorial we're going to do is 2 different worlds. That one is just going to be 1 video because it's going to be a short tutorial. So we'll do one for photos and we'll do one for videos. So anyone you want to watch, anyone you want to learn, we'll do it and upload it next weekend. And as said earlier, the extended version of this video will be down in the description, so you can check it out for me. Let me know what you think. Any comments, any additions, subtractions you think I should have done, let me know in the comments, and I appreciate that very much. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, you can subscribe to my channel. If you have questions, you can ask me in the comments, or you can send me a message on WhatsApp or email. I have all of them in the description. The source files for this video, any other thing mentioned inside the video, all the links will be in the description of the video. Until next time.